Now there are so many different kind of headsets on the market that we as consumers often get trapped in a self-made vortex of confusion, which makes buying a decent budget headset a challenge, especially if you're after the one for all kind, which kind of covers all of your platforms, games, movies and music. In this video we're about to find out maybe that's not the case anymore. Now again, I'll be scoring this headset out of 10 in certain different areas like price, performance, aesthetics and quality or build quality. And so yeah, let's go straight ahead and take a look at this headset, and this will kind of set you around the £40 to £45 price mark, or if you're in the US it'll be around $40 odd, which isn't a bad price for a gaming headset. Well, here's what you get with your hard-earned money inside the box. You get the headset itself, a manual and a splitter cable which allows you to connect this headset to your smartphone or a console controller, which has the adapter for connection for a headset with a 3.5mm jack. So the headset comes equipped with some powerful 40mm drivers which actually don't sound that bad at all. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, bombs blasting away, guns firing left, right and centre, these sound pretty damn good. Now these headsets are not really built for music, they're more for FPS games or movies which have got explosions, guns firing left, right and centre, and these are a little flat in the mids, but these make it up in the sound quality in terms of clarity and loudness. On the other hand, the microphone isn't much to talk about. It's not really fantastic. I'm not saying it's rubbish, but it's not amazing. It just sounds like a normal $40 or £40 microphone on a headset, where it won't sound fantastic, but it'll do the job. Now one thing I do like about the microphone is the way the design is. It can get nicely tucked into the headset while not in use, and it doesn't get in your way. That means that you're not going to keep seeing the microphone in front of your face. You just tuck it into one of the ear cups and it literally goes right in and be flush to the ear cup, and then when you need to use it you just pull it out and boom, you're ready to go. Now you have a nice fixed braided cable. I would have preferred a removable cable which I can just take in and out whenever I want. So if it's on my desk and making my desk setup look amazing, I can easily take the wire out so there's no clutter lying around, and when I want to use them I could have just inserted the wire. But hey, you can't complain at around £40 because that's what a gaming headset can do, although there may be other headsets which allow you to do that, but this has some features that the other headsets probably won't have. So let's take a look at those. So on the end of the braided cable you have two 3.5mm jacks, one for your microphone and one for your headphones to listen to the sound that's coming into the headphones, of course. And you have a third option, which is the USB cable to power up the headphones to enable those beautiful RGB lights, and it gives some extra juice or extra power. Damn, that rain. This is why I'm inside today and recording, because it's absolutely chucking it down outside. Yeah, you can power up the headphones and, you know, put the RGB lights on and stuff. Talking about the RGB lights going in a circle around the headset, you can set them into any 7 of the preset colors on the headphones, and you can shift between 2 separate modes: the pulse jumping mode, which jumps between different colors, or the single color pulse, which just pulses in a single color, or you can completely turn them off. It's entirely your choice. So on one side of the ear cup you have a few control options which allows you to turn the RGB lights on or off, and the other option is to turn the microphone on or off, and of course the volume for the microphone, which can come in very handy. You can just, it's like a dial, and you can just kind of turn it a wheel spin up or down, on or off. Choice is yours, my friends. Now the most important thing about any gaming headset is how comfortable are they. Well, that's where these eSPORTS Shock Pro gaming headsets absolutely nailed it. Let's find out why. Now, being a lightweight headset, these are super comfortable with the head adjusting or self-adjusting headband that goes across on top of your head, which makes these absolutely heavenly for no matter how many hours you use these. You just cannot feel them on your head. And to take that comfortability to the next level, the ear cups are absolutely fantastic. They are very thick, soft and padded, and just feel like someone's massaging your ears the whole time. Yeah. Now the added bonus for the padded ear cups is that it keeps any unwanted noise out and lets you keep up that KD. So let's take our prisoners and kill them all. So overall, I think these headsets are great for the price. You pay around £40 to £45 here in the UK, or $50 or $40 in the US, wherever you're from. These are great and you get what you pay for, other than the microphone being a standard or generic $40 to $50 microphone and the fixed cable. I really do not have any complaints. The sound quality is absolutely fantastic, the build quality is fantastic, the comfortability is amazing, and they're just overall great headsets. A awesome $40 or $45 headset, which I think you should buy as your first gaming headset, because you can use these across all of your platforms, whether you're playing on a PC, PlayStation 4, Xbox, your smartphone. You know, you can just go buy one of these and use these across all of your headsets, and you don't have to worry about having different gaming headsets for different devices or different platforms. Just buy one for all. That's it. That's my review, my friends. Let me know what you guys think of this review. If you guys found this helpful, or even find it the slightest a bit convincing to buy this headset for yourself, then let me know what you guys think down below of this headset. I will rate this bad boy a awesome 9 out of 10. So well done TT eSPORTS for the Shock Pro gaming headset. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. If you guys want to check me out, then give a like on this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any other content I upload in the future. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I love you people in my next video. That just sounded weird. I'll see you guys in the next video, so stay safe and keep smiling.